Hello, my name is Bill and welcome to Mind Your Crypto. Today we have Kadena daily update. It is the first time actually I'm doing this altcoin, but anyway, let's go right now and see the next price targets. Before we begin, do not forget to join our monthly subscription. Two brand new tires added for all your needs on Patreon/MindYourCrypto. And let's start anyway with the price and technical analysis. I might be doing a fundamental analysis as well for Kadena. They have many supporters throughout the world, and I want to see if it is worth having it in your investment portfolio. Anyway, let's go right here and see that KDA has lost more than 90% of its valuation from 11 November 2021. Look at that. Minus 95%. If someone told you from here to today, 14 May, that KDA would lose 95%, wouldn't you dislike every video of him, right? You would, but eventually he would be right. And this is what the YouTubers come across, the difficulties that YouTubers come across sometimes. Whenever I talk badly about an altcoin, not because I hate it, but because I think that it is going to correct down, I get so many hate comments that it doesn't encourage me enough to say something bad about the other altcoins. Although I keep trying to remain honest, and of course I keep trying to say the truth to the audience. Sometimes it isn't easy to get hateful comments for your family, for you, and everything that it has. Anyway, I'm going here to tell what I think about KDA and not what people want to hear. So eventually 95% correction going on. Usually within these corrections we are seeing a pump, okay? And the thing here is that if BTC goes above and closes above the 31.8k, KDA will have a pump as well, going above the 50-day EMA. Actually the 50-day EMA on the daily frame, which sits at around 3 USDT for the time being. If I want to find some major important resistance levels, and I will go back to the most important support level that you need to hold right now, I would say that the most important resistance level out of everything, without using the logarithmic scale, would be the 7.67 for the long term. Okay, so perhaps let's say that the KDA does something insane and goes all the way up. The first resistance level that it will have to face, and it will probably correct to, is the 7.78 for the time being. I'm going to explain what I mean by that. Anyway, let's go to the daily frame, because it doesn't mean, it isn't necessary actually to go to the 4-hour frame. Look at that. On the daily frame, we have something, and we have observed something that happens to every bearish market. Whenever we are going above the 50-day EMA, we have a crazy sell pressure and selling opportunity. So look at that. We are getting down from the 20-day EMA, long gap between the 20-day EMA and the price. The risk is getting minimized. The higher the gap between the 20-day EMA and the price when we have a downtrend, the more likely it is the price to get upwards. So right here we had a very huge gap between the price and the 20-day EMA. Therefore we closed to get closer into the 20-day EMA, and finally we had a breakout, but it wasn't enough. We went down. Here as well, you can see that we went above the 50-day EMA, same story right here. And from there, we had the rejection for all the altcoins, all the crypto, and therefore for KDA as well. Now coming back to the most important support level of all times. Are you ready to face what I think about KDA and what is the most important support level for KDA as well? Drawing the fib from the bottom to the top right here, I would say that the most important support level out of all is the 0.83. And I'm not talking about KDA will go down to 8.3 to 0.83 actually. Now I'm talking about over the next weeks to maybe next months it will touch there. And why I'm saying this is the most important support level, it is for your investment portfolio, right? It is if you want to get an altcoin which sits at the bottom. This is the most important support level, and KDA will probably sit at the bottom once it reaches the 0.83. Perhaps it would be very good for a nice reaccumulation phase. It will have lost the 97% of its starting valuation from this high we had back on 8 November. But anyway, it should be the best reaccumulation point. So yeah, this should bring to you many profits throughout afterwards, maybe 180%, maybe 250, 260, maybe even more once it touches the point 83.36. So yeah, this is the most important support level for me. Once KDA goes there or a little bit below there, if it goes, then this is a great reaccumulation point for the long term, and therefore KDA will start maybe an impulsive wave again up to these levels. Instead of going down, it will start going upwards as well. Look at what KDA did back here on August 2021. It went all the way up. It didn't actually manage to correct even one time. Look at that, plus 46, plus 32, plus 119, plus 205%, and plus 195. It was really huge what it did, but right now the consequences of the crazy outbursts are coming in, and we are seeing a minus 90% and more. Really curious to see what people did after buying right here. It is crazy enough. This was a fake out, and then we corrected again. Anyway, right now 0.8336, the most important support level throughout the history of KDA, if you ask my opinion, until we get above and close above the 50 MA, and not only that, making it as a support level after, we do not have a buying opportunity. Unless we go actually above the 2.96, okay, USDT, and we close above, and therefore after we find it as a support level again, then I will be probably saying that we have a breakout and we are going higher, but until then, everything is bearish for KDA. Do not forget to join our monthly subscription, Patreon/MindYourCrypto, and of course see you soon with many more videos. Bye.